Plymouth, but here we go. This evening I'd like to inform the community that I have accepted the position of Director of the Green Communities Division at the Massachusetts Department of Energy Resources. I'll complete my service with Plymouth on February 9th, 2009. I'm quite honored to serve in Governor Patrick's administration and to work with cities and towns on such an important issue. I look forward to working for two leaders in the environmental and energy fields. That would be Secretary of the Executive Office of Energy and Environmental Affairs Ian Bowles, and the Department of Energy Resources Commissioner Phil Giudice. Through their leadership and with the Department of Energy Resources guidance, the Green Communities Division will work with cities and towns to fulfill its mission under the Green Communities Act, which was passed by the legislature and signed by the governor. I've truly enjoyed my career in Plymouth, and it's hard to imagine that I started here in January of 1998 as the administrative assistant to the town manager. At that time, it was Don Jacobs, and this board was actually, I believe Selectman Tavares was the only member of the board at the time that was serving when I started back in 1998. Over the past 10 years, I've had the honor of serving in various capacities: the administrative assistant's position, the assistant town manager's position, acting town manager, and currently as the permanent town manager. It has been an absolute privilege to work with so many talented officials, both appointed and elected. You know, and as I sat down to collect my thoughts over what I was going to say, I was overwhelmed, and that's not an understatement, by the amazing amount of pride and gratitude that I feel towards this town and to my job. Pride in what we've accomplished over the past 4 years, and gratitude for the opportunity to serve the citizens of Plymouth over the last 10 years. And I promise I'll try not to get choked up. I spoke to my staff this morning and I didn't think I would, but unfortunately I did, but I'm human. Where does one begin when almost their entire professional career has been in the same place? And that's truly been my case, with the exception of a 9-month stint with Harvard Pilgrim Healthcare. I came back together, and that's this board and previous boards and citizens in the community, other elected and appointed officials through the years. We've met many challenges. We've accomplished a number of goals. We've celebrated a number of victories, and we've overcome some tragedies along the way. So I thought I would summarize some of those accomplishments that we've achieved that I certainly am most proud of, and that I just want to share with the community. And I'm going to use the word we because it has been a collective we. We brought the town and school department together to pass a $199 million debt exclusion to address building needs at Plymouth North and Plymouth South, as well as our senior center. That same collaboration has resulted in unified annual budgets over the last 2 years. That's town and schools going in together with a unified budget. These accomplishments and the ongoing town and school collaboration, which continues today, are examples for cities and towns across the Commonwealth. There's no question. Having served on a school committee myself in another community, this is the exception. And because of those beliefs and that effort on both the town and school side, I believe that it's brought this town closer together. We negotiated one of the highest payment in lieu of tax agreements in the United States.